Day 30, reflect. Congratulations! You've reached the end of the personalized PD challenge. I really hope that you have had the gift of time to read and explore things that were of interest to you, and most importantly, that you had the gift to work on something that was important to you, to truly personalize your PD to better serve yourself and your students. Your final task is simply to reflect. Reflect on the process, reflect on the product, reflect on what in this situation worked for you, what of these strategies can you use with your students, for your students, what strategies throughout this process are you going to continue to embed in your day-to-day practice. Take 20, 30 minutes and just think about how are you going to implement your plan. Visualize what will success truly look like. Please take time to reflect on all of the work that you did and all the time and effort you put forward to turning one of your ideas into action. The Personalized PD Challenge resources are all available at theeducatorslab.com. Feel free to pass them along to any colleagues or administrators that might be interested, because if it's not clear already, I am very passionate about helping teachers truly innovate, of going beyond all of the innovation hype and actually helping teachers, those people who are in the trenches, who know what the problems are and who have the solutions in their minds and hearts, helping them turn those ideas into action. In the meantime, thank you for joining me. Feel free to use any of the strategies and resources that you had here with your students, and keep using these strategies and resources as you continue to personalize any PD, as you continue to do what's right for you, and most importantly, what's right for students.